Hello again, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna do a recipe called Laab, L-A-A-B, Laab, L-A-A-B. So in Laos, people like to do Labs over there, so it's like a Laotian food. So what I have here, this Laab I'm gonna do with beef. I have a 1.76 pound of black Angus beef sirloin tip steak. Cook it like a medium done. I'm gonna slice it. So this the meat gonna do with the beef. So the other ingredient is I chop up some cilantro. This is cilantro. Some mint, red onions, one red onion. I chop it up into a thin slice, and also I wash it a little bit with cold water to get rid of that rawness. So you don't want, so just wash it with cold water a little bit after you slice the red onion. Some green onions, salty chop up. 5 cloves of garlic. This is kalanko. This is kalanko roots. With the knife, I bought this one. I put in the refrigerator, already frozen. So I'm gonna just simply slice a little bit like that. Kalanko root. We don't want a lot. We just want to flavor it. So just a little bit of that, not too much. Kalanko root. You can buy this from Asian store, so they sell that, and it smells really good. And this one, toasted rice. Yeah, you take rice and you toast it in a pan, and then you just grind it up with a coffee grinder. Just put in a coffee grinder, grind it up, called toasted rice. This one, and this one is a lemongrass. So 2 stalks of lemongrass right here. Lemongrass is like this. It's like grass, but they use in a lot of Asian cooking. So just chop up to small pieces. So lemongrass. And you need some limes. I got 3 limes that been cut in half. So you need some limes. Also you need some fish sauce. And let's cook the beef. After we cook the beef, I'm gonna slide the beef and just put everything together. I'm gonna seasoning this a little bit before I start cooking. Put a little salt in there. Just a little bit of salt, not too much. A little bit of oil. I don't want to be too overcooked, so I'm going to just take it out. Alright, it's cooked. Alright, the beef is cooked. I just let it cool down a little bit. So just let the beef cool down a little bit before we slice it. For this you need a mortar and pestle. Got a mortar and pestle, and we need to put garlics in there, and put a little bit of salt just to help, not too much, half a teaspoon of salt or so. So you see, when you put the salt in there, make it easier to pound the ingredient together. Now put the lemongrass in. Galanco. Keep pounding all the ingredient together until it's become almost like a paste. Not a paste, not, until it's all finely pounded together. You don't want too much to be too much like a paste, but just pound it just enough. So you can see here, that's what almost done. Okay, I think that's the consistency you want right here. Not like a paste like, but there's. Yeah, that's good enough. Now we can put all the ingredients together. I'm going to cut this in slices. Now start to put the Laab together. All right, just go into here. The the toasted rice that had been ground up. Green onions, red onions, cilantro, some mint. All right, I'm gonna squeeze some lime on there. Now we have to put some fish sauce. Try two first and taste. Don't put too much. Your fish sauce is really salty. All right, it's not. I'll put some more lime in there. It's not sour enough. Okay, yeah, not sour enough, so we just put the, let me see. Can use a little more fish sauce. And a little bit more of this toasted rice. All right, one last thing. Put some chili pepper in just for spiciness. I put two Thai chili pepper in there. Just add a little spiciness to it. Alright, let's plate this up. So this is the final product. Beef Laab. So this is very tasty, and Laotian people in Laos, they make a lot of this, especially Hmong people that live in Laos. So this is one of their special dish called Laab, Laab, Laab. So this is a beef Laab. I hope you give this recipe a try, and please subscribe to my channel, like, share, and subscribe. Bye bye.